happy Sunday. I am so happy to be here with you today. Thank you so much for joining me for another great video. This is gonna be really useful. Well, I hope. One of the most consistent comments I get is that during the winter, everybody feels like they can't be cute. Like they can't express their unique style. They can't look good because it's all about like practicality. It's all about a practical and ugly pair of shoes, and it's all about a practical but ugly jacket, feeling like you can't really feel like your best self. So I wanna change that. I wanna give you not only some amazing outfit ideas, a couple of really great tips, but most importantly, I wanna show you how you can communicate your unique sense of personal style no matter what. And that's what we're gonna do today. If this is your first video, welcome. This is the DIY Designer. My name is Orly. I release a brand new video every single Sunday, and those videos are always either DIY fashion, personal style development, which is unlocking your unique style language, or like styling hacks and outfit ideas. Obviously, outfit ideas is what today is all about. I have a rack full of clothing. I'm gonna be pulling clothing from my closet, some stuff that I recently thrifted, and a few really fun new pieces from Lily Silk. You guys know I'm obsessed with Lily Silk. It is one of my favorite brands, and I'm very, very blessed to continue to work with them on this channel. And you've seen, I've done videos in the summer, the spring, the fall, and the winter with them, and it's always like my favorite pieces to get. And that's because they are like the most beautiful, luxurious, high quality blank slate. They allow for so much customization in how you style them. So it's just a piece that's gonna look instantly elevated, instantly polished, but you can combine it and style it and wear it in any way that fits your unique sense of style, and they're gonna last you forever. And the company is like eco-friendly, and it's a zero waste company, turning all of the scraps into scrunchies and face masks. I mean, I just love everything about them. So today I'm really excited to feature some of their cozy sweaters, a few skirts, a few trousers. I'm gonna have a code plus their Black Friday sale. So you're gonna be able to get some of these incredibly high quality pieces for the lowest price you would ever get them for, and I cannot recommend it enough. You will love them. You will cherish them. You will wear them like crazy. So that's what we're gonna do today. Oh, the three sort of style types I'm gonna work with today in order to give me inspiration for outfits are, number one, it's gonna be like a elegant minimal aesthetic. Think kind of like Sophia Richie vibe, quiet luxury. Number two is going to be like a preppy feminine. Think sort of like Reese Witherspoon. And number three is gonna be like a little quirky, edgy, sexy. But it's gonna be the one that fits my aesthetic the most. Okay. Let's do it. Before we get started, I have one tip that I think is gonna make a huge difference for you. When you are creating outfits for winter that still make you feel great, that express your personal style, that you still think are really cute, to me, the trick is forgetting it's winter and pretending it's still fall. Create all of the outfits as though it is fall. You are just going to put on top of you the necessary jacket. Ruining the outfit, sure, fine, but you're only wearing it from like your car to the front of the restaurant, or like 2 houses down when you're walking to your neighbor's house or whatever. You are spending so little time really outside when it's that cold that the jacket, take the pressure off. Let it be purely functional. Let the outfit underneath be the outfit, and wear whatever you need to on top without feeling the pressure of that being part of it. Throw it on. As soon as you get to where you're going, it comes off and you've got your cute outfit underneath. Alrighty, let's start off with this amazing red sweater. The weight of this, you guys, oh my God, it's just so luxe. The cable knit, the bright red color, so in for winter, and I'm very excited. These are a gorgeous pair of silk-lined wool trousers. They have this awesome sheen to them. They're sort of low-waisted, structured, cropped, flared. The silhouette of them is super in, and I thought creating a very classic outfit for our sort of like minimal, elegant girl would be really cool. A simple chain necklace. This is kind of the coat that I would imagine would go on top of the outfit if I could literally have anything I want. But again, remember, do whatever you've got. You're not wearing it the whole day, so just do whatever's gonna keep you cozy. This is actually a scarf that I just cut up the middle to turn it into a poncho, and there's a million ways that you can drape it and wrap it. Again, very like elegant, very chic. I love this. Now let's create our next one. We're gonna do sort of like a Parisian, feminine, preppy vibe here. This cashmere skirt by Lily Silk is so good. It's a really great piece to wear if you want to do something that's going to be a little bit more feminine but still very warm. A beret is really, really a fun way to have like the alternative to maybe a beanie, something a little more feminine than a beanie. I went full Parisian here, but I felt so like elegant and beautiful, and I really loved it. All right, next up, we're gonna do the one that's more my style. This is like a little grungy, a little edgy. At first I thought I would crop the sweater, and then when I left it out, I was like, no, this is the energy. Off the shoulder, oversized, big oversized sleeves. I love the way that that plays with the cropped hemline. I'm wearing my Doc Martens that I've had since 8th grade, a beanie. This made me feel very me, and honestly, a puffer coat over this, and I would still feel great. This was kind of a little bonus just to show again, like the sweater cropped with jeans and a leather jacket, still totally different from the feminine beret look, but all in all, this is a sweater that's gonna really be able to work for you throughout the holidays as well. This is one of my favorite pieces. This is a cashmere vest. Now, little sweater vests are a huge trend right now. So they're really fun because there's so many layering options. For our sort of elegant minimal look, I put on a pair of jeans that had no rips in them, a crisp white button down underneath, white boots to match, and I knew that I had this jacket. When I threw on the hat, I was like, we're not really minimal. This is actually more how I would wear it, but for our minimal girl, I took off the hat so that it was just a little bit cleaner. Again, this is crisp, classic, timeless, always in style, and this vest lends itself really beautifully because of the color, the slight oversized quality. This is a look that, even though it's a little more simplistic than I would normally wear, I'd probably throw on some rock knot and I'd even wear it this way. Now this is really fun. Winter is also holidays, right? So I thought this sweater, the color of it is really beautiful to work with different like sparkly tones you might have during New Year's Eve. This is a brand new rock knot necklace. It's not in yet. We're actually just finalized this sample, but it's like a 2-in-1. You can wear it as a multi-strand necklace. You can twist it and wrap it into this really cool like wrapped choker. It's so fun. I put on a headband, a rock knot headband, and I was like, which one do I want? And I liked the way the choker looked best. But again, think about some of these cozy sweaters being paired with really fun, glitzy pieces. A coat like this, obviously, if you had it, would be epic, but you're fully New Year's Eve ready, but you're still warm and cozy, and I think that that's a wonderful thing. Now, this zip-up cashmere hoodie is really cool because it's got the casual look of a zip-up hoodie, but it's got the really warm, zhuzhy, comfy quality of like a cashmere knit. The fit of it's perfect, and I wanted to create a little outfit with the sweater vest underneath. Like, this is how I'd wear it. I'd wear this on the weekend. I'd wear this to my kids' football games. I feel cute. I feel like me. I feel like I'm still showing my style, but I'm really, really warm and comfy. And again, if need be, a giant jacket over the top of this to protect me when I'm gonna be outside for colder weather, and then take it off when I'm inside, and boom, I have a super cute outfit that feels a little edgy and a little quirky. This is actually a DIY that's on my channel if you search hooded scarf. It's like a scarf with a built-in oversized hood, and it's always a really fun piece to throw on top for a little extra warmth, and it also gives a little attitude, which I just enjoy. These are a pair of drop crotch pants. I just wanted to show you, like, if you wanted to wear this with sweats, you could do like sweats and sneakers, boots, and again, the little V-neck underneath and the little hoodie underneath. It's really like slouchy, effortless, cool, a little masculine, which I love. Completely different from the sequin skirt. This top, polka dots are gonna be huge. This is an absolutely perfect silk georgette with these little belled sleeves. You can tie the tassels or not. Really, really flattering, and you're gonna see how many ways this can be transformed. First off, we've got our elegant minimal girl. I buttoned it all the way up because you could see the black bra, which I thought looked really cool, but I thought open plus seeing the black bra was maybe a little much for our elegant girl. These trousers are by Lily Silk also. They look almost like a dress, but they're these breezy, whooshy pants that I love, and every time I wear them, I just feel amazing in them. For our preppy feminine girl, I thought it would be really fun to do a black leather skirt. A short black leather skirt, a headband, which I would never wear in my regular life. I'm not a headband girl, but I love the way this looks. Keeping it buttoned all the way up, seeing the black bra, a belt to tie in the waist, black boots that disappear, tights. Again, if you needed to wear a long sleeve shirt under this to keep it warmer, of course, you can do that. A black long sleeve shirt is just gonna make the polka dots pop more, so it's even cuter. Love this look. Now it's time to figure out how I would wear it. My thought originally was having some fun with prints. Like, what if I mixed prints? It's bold, it's sort of in your face, it's funky, and I really like that. Ultimately, I decided actually I'm gonna do my more sexy, edgy, effortless original. That's my style language, and I thought a pair of oversized black jeans, a leather harness that really kind of plays against the feminine girly quality of this soft, drapey, silky polka dot top was really fun. I threw my hair up, which felt right, just gave me a little bit of that edge. And again, this top now to me becomes so interesting because of these details, these edgy, grungy details completely transform the top. So have fun with some of these more even elements like a floral top you wore during spring. Great to wear this now. This knit wool sweater is really fun because of the graphic patterns. Now, Lily Silk is known for their silk tops. This is a silk button down that I got from a video I probably did about a year ago, and it's one of my absolute basics in my wardrobe. I'm wearing those Silwolk pants again that you can see are sort of cropped, and I love everything open here. It's almost slightly masculine. The sweater is draped, the shirt is oversized, the pants are oversized. I'm not showing waist. Something here feels very elevated, very expensive, very fresh, very new. And I think that the combination of the cream top with the white sweater is actually really interesting. Normally I don't do that, but I love the way they play because one is shiny and one is matte. So it's a very cool kind of relationship that they have. Now I'm gonna put on that skirt again, the cashmere skirt. This skirt, you guys, I cannot recommend enough. If you needed to, you could wear those, what are those, like fleece lined tights underneath? Simple black boots, again, a sock boot that has no shine to it. It just disappears and gives me height. This is elegant. I feel like expensive. Like I feel like I should be like lunching in Beverly Hills or something like that. I'm comfortable, I'm warm. Any coat on top is gonna work well. Any jewelry you want, but two pieces like this are classics that could be worn with jeans and a t-shirt or swapped. Absolutely love it. Now, I wanted to do something again, like how would I wear this? If I was going out with girlfriends for lunch, how would I wear it? I grabbed these pants, which I thrifted the other day. It was a really good find. Belted them higher than they're meant to be, so it was almost like a paper bag waist. Threw on my chunky boots and a contrasting beanie. I threw on a bunch of different colored beanies and they all worked. Neon, hot pink, but I love the lavender because that's a huge trend right now. I tucked it into my bra so it became a cropped sweater, but it actually looked really cute, like out and loose, kind of the way that I had it with the black pants. Again, this is all about taking these items and speaking your unique style language with them, thinking outside of the box in a way that you can still represent your style, and then just give yourself whatever functional details you need during the winter. This was like a second one, how I would wear it. It's a little grungy, it's a little 90s with the slip and the beanie. I love the way the sweater looks out. Again, the length of this sweater, the length of the sleeves, it just really lends itself to a lot of customization. I'm a huge fan and I love this sweater so much. I threw on a baseball hat. I was like, ooh, with sneakers and a jean jacket. Oh my God. I was very into it. I could have done this forever. This last one's really just a little bonus. I'm not going to show all different styles, but I just wanted to share. This is their Amira dress. It's like a really soft, comfy, you want to sleep in it knit dress. And the thing that I always think that's really cool with dresses, especially in the winter time, is that you can layer sweaters on top of them so that it looks like you're wearing a knit skirt, or you could even layer skirts on the outside of them so it looks like you're wearing a knit top. So I want you guys to look in your own closet for items like this. Any dresses can be turned into skirts and tops by layering elements on top. So I'm layering the zip up hoodie with the jacket. To me, this is really fun. And if I needed a floor length coat to go over it for more warmth, I could, but I feel very much like myself. I feel comfy, I feel cozy, and I feel cute. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits because you know me. I could keep on going and going and going, and next thing you know, I'll keep you stuck here with me for half an hour. I hope that this was helpful. I hope it was useful and kind of opened up your mind into the way that you can wear some of the sweaters that you might already own, some of the amazing Lily Silk pieces. If you want to get them now, you know all of the many ways that they can be worn, how versatile and high quality and wonderful they really are. And just keep in mind, again, the coats, ignore it. Don't worry about it. It's a short-term, temporary comfort that takes you from, point A to point B. And then when you're inside or you're where you're going, you want to be wearing something that makes you feel good. And the same thing for like undergarments. If you need to wear tights, if you need to wear thermals, if you need to wear those things, do it. Do whatever's going to make you feel comfortable, but kind of plan on building out fall outfits and then just layering on top or underneath as needed. All right, I hope that you guys enjoy this. I have a really fun video next week. It's all sorts of really cool hair accessories that will elevate your outfit for the holidays. So it'll take you from day to night. It'll be a really fun way to add a pop of sort of holiday sparkle and visual interest into your hair so your outfit doesn't have to do all the talking. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Have a beautiful week.